Hey you guys, I know you guys probably waiting for me to do a plan with me, and I actually have the stuff that I recently hauled 2 weeks ago still in this bag because I need to declutter all my planner stuff first. So right here I started emptying out a container. There's one container right there. It's completely empty. That stuff I have for a pretty cool DIY. This is stuff that I'm keeping. This pile here is stuff that I'm letting go of. I'm keeping that. And of course, that's my bag of trash right there. Shoes, glasses, you know, backpack. 2 more containers here of planner stuff I'm about to go through. So, as you can see, I have a lot of planner stuff, and this container at the bottom, I have not been in this container for probably a year and 4 months or a year and a half. Then I have that one there I need to go through, and then all these sticker books. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys a little bit of me decluttering, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna do a giveaway with some of these items I'm not using. Like I picked up this, never used it. It's just, you know, stickers. Never used them. This sticker book, I probably used like maybe 10 stickers out this entire book. And I don't want to just like completely throw it away. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway too. That's how many stickers are in there. So I'm just going to go through those containers and any new items or any items that are basically have all the stuff in there. I'm going to throw it all in a giveaway, and I'll leave a link down below in the description box if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and get started. you guys. So here is everything that I am keeping. Got a coloring book. I had 2 of them. My son taking the other one. I got some gift cards in here. I got my cash envelopes that I'm going to start up again. Got a little basket. These are the only washi tapes I currently have. I have my main camera stuff because I'm going to be selling my camera. I have some craft paper, some other stuff all inside of here. And this is my big container here that I am going to be keeping everything in here. I got extra planners, even planners from 2019 that are brand new that I have not used. I'm going to utilize them. Got some stamps. We got some patches here. Yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff in here for DIYs. Got some Valentine's Day cards. Got some Tombow. Some more craft bond. So that is everything I am keeping. This is my big bag of trash here. Now all this does not include, it does not include my stuff I got from my haul. That's still in the bag. But let me show you everything that I'm going to be putting in this giveaway. So here's everything that I put in this giveaway. Got some washi tapes. I got some stickers here. I got some notepads, more stickers, Christmas stickers. We got some adhesive embellishments. We have some stickers I made when I used to make my stickers. So I threw those in. I have 2 of these Valentine's Day cards. I don't want to throw them away because, you know, they're Valentine's Day. So threw those in there. Of course, we got the stamp block letters with the little stamp thing. Those stickers, these I just showed you. And then these have a few stickers in here. You know what? I'm going to keep that one. We're going to take this one out. Now, I'm going to leave this one in here. This one comes with a divider for the Happy Planner. It already comes attached to it. All right, so yeah. And then this one here has the little divider attached to it. That's how it came. And this is from Happy Planner. And let me show you guys what it looks like. So I guess I did use a few other stickers out of here, but other than that, this is like a full sticker book, except for like the front page. So I'm including all this in the giveaway. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below. You know what? We're not even gonna do a link. We're just going to, you guys go ahead and I'll pick someone from down below. Leave your Instagram handle or your email a way for me to contact you, and I'll pick someone and send all these goodies to you. All right, bye.